So I'm officially made of suck, because I've tried this video 3 times. First time sucked because I was outside and it was windy. Not necessarily because I was scared this time. The second one, because I had the camera too low. So I'm going to have to go through this really fast because my battery's almost dead and I can't find the charger. So really quick, I'm going to go into Lisa's questions, which that is not, which this is, and quickly go over them, and I'm going to edit this and upload it. So first off, my name is Chandel, and my age is 19. I'll be 20 in June, which makes me a Cancer. I don't know if there's any other Cancers in this group. I don't think so. I think it's Aries, Gemini, and I don't know what you are, Brie. I don't know what you are, but anyways, I'm the Cancer. And then, favorite physical feature, my hair. I have a weird relationship with my hair, but I often really like it, and I really like it the way it is now. I want it longer, like up to here maybe. But yeah, my favorite physical feature, my hair. I like it a lot. And my least favorite physical feature, which is the next question, is my eyebrows, because I think they look kind of funky, and I can never get them quite the way I want them to look. Or where do I wish I was right now? And I wish I was in Bullhead, Arizona. And just because I want to visit my friends. You know, all my friends are there and I really miss them and I miss hanging out with you guys. So it'd be really cool to come over and see you. I'm coming down the 21st. I know my blog said the 27th, but it's the 21st. So yeah, I'll actually be seeing you guys soon. I just wish I can do it more often. And then, the next question, the last thing I ate, chips and salsa, my favorite. I really like chips and salsa, the most delicious thing ever. So yeah, that's what I ate last, and it was excellent. The weather right now is very cold. Well, it's not as cold as it used to be, but I think it's about 45 right now, and that's cold. Earlier today, not so bad, 57 earlier. I went outside, I tried doing the video there, but it was windy, but it felt very nice, you know? So, yeah. Weather nice, was nice, weather's cold now. Actually, there's still snow in the mountains. Check it out. There's still snow on the mountains. And, yeah. Next question. The last thing I watched was Axis Powers Hetilia. And that's actually something Ashley has gotten into, and I really liked as well. And it makes me laugh, and it's actually very cute. And really quick, Ashley, I know you mentioned that you basically signed all your friends, including me, to certain countries. And I kind of wanted to know which countries you signed to everybody, now that I'm getting into it, and I can actually make the connections. Because I know I was Russia, and you were America, but I can't remember anybody else. So if you can leave a comment down below saying who everybody else was, that'd be really cool. And yeah, that's it. Brianna, unfortunately you have to do the next topic, because since I made the video before you, because we were the last 2 people who were supposed to make topics, because we hadn't made one yet, and I'm making this video now, means that you have to make a topic next time because you didn't make a video before me. And then after you, I make the topic, and then after that, it's kind of repeating the cycle again, who does the last video. So, yeah, that's it. I can't think of anything else to say. I know I have to do a little dance and jig samba for Ashley. And on America's Next Top Model, they actually did a samba, so I think I can sort of imitate it. And you can all laugh at me for feeling horribly. So, yeah, here we go. Samba! Definitely my shit already. That was horrible, wasn't it? Very horrible. What we move. This is my favorite one. I think it's so hurt. Okay, and that was it. So now I'm completely done with my challenge. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye. My cat just made a funny noise.